In this position, black is about to mate. What should you do? Play bishop to c4-5? Wrong move. Take the rook with the queen? Is that the correct move? What do you do? But here's your solution. First you take queen takes e6. Now what that does, that forces the reaction from black, and black has to take queen on e6. Then you play rook to e1. And when you play rook to e1, that takes away the e5 from the queen and takes away the mate. And once the queen moves anywhere, say here, then you play bishop to b4. Even if you give up the c pawn here, this takes away the mate. And then you can attack with bishop to e2. And what that does, that keeps pressure on the pawn, unless he's going to give up the rook for that. If he gives up the rook, king here, black is in a losing position because he has two isolated pawns here on the king side. So even if this position arises, white can still win the game. But playing bishop to c5 is not the best move. So you have to be careful in the position. You got to always check where pieces are on the board. And you have to check what's connected and what's not. So when you got to keep your eyes on the board. And the reason you take away the e file, because you want to get the queen off, and when you play bishop to b4, that takes away a5. So that pawn is dead. Then even if you took the rook with the rook here, even if you had taken this pawn, unless he's going to give up this rook for that bishop, he would create a pass pawn, and this pawn would be dead because this bishop, they would on f3. Automatic. Always take a look. Lesson from the brain. Always peep first.